Hi, this is a PSA about creative credit and copyright. Copyright protects authors and owners of stories, books, novels, songs, plays, screenplays, movies, anything that is creatively produced like that along those lines. And, you know, if you're going to use a portion or a sampling of somebody else's work, you have to acknowledge the original source. And if you're going to use like in a essay or a paper or whatever that you're manufacturing or you're producing yourself, if you're going to use somebody else's words word for word, you have to put them within quotation marks and give their name, the original source. And if you're not going to use word for word, but you're still using the something from somebody else's work, like like if you're going to reference this video and say, well, Darren's, as Darren says in his video, blah blah blah, as an example. But if you're not going to use word for word, but you're still using somebody's information, or like from their website or from their scientific findings or something along that line, you still must credit your source. You can use somebody else's work to just a small portion of it or sampling of it under what's known as the fair use laws. And fair use covers teaching, parody, news reporting, and criticism. And so if you're going to use them in those instances, then that's fine. Again, smallest portion, the better. Um, just remember that as you're producing something, a story or an essay or what have you, if you're producing something, you don't want it stolen from you, and as the owner. So don't do that to other people. Just to avoid plagiarism, always cite your sources and use just a small sample, because ideally whatever you produce should be the bulk of it should be your own original work. Thank you.